Hi, this is Adam from Scentroid, and we're here today in my office to show you a new product that we have out today. You probably are familiar with the SP50 heated air purger. This product we've had for a few years. It's used to clean clean the bags, Teflon bag, Tedlar bag, PTFE tubes, when you use them after the sampling or you're preparing them to go out for sampling. And it's putting heat out, hot air out at 400 degrees or 200 or 100 as you set it, and then it's pulling the air back in. It works really well, but it has the limitation that if the bag is too large, then the heat is dissipating before it gets to the material that it needs to clean. So we have a new instrument. This is the SP50, which we call Oxidization Purger. So it's not using heat anymore, it's using oxidizing molecules such as ozone and hydroxyl, and it's injecting them into the bag and then drawing them out. It's quite safe, as the air being injected into the bag with ozone is pulled out and carbon filtered, so it's actually not coming into the gross space like my office. Another big advantage of this unit is that it also disinfects the bag. So for all those customers of ours, such as Health Canada and others, which are using the bags for medical purposes, and you may have viruses and bacteria, these bags will then be disinfected, so there is no chance of cross-contamination and getting somebody else sick. So how it works is quite simple. We've turned it on. On one side I have an ozone generator dial, so I can adjust the intensity of the ozone, the concentration of it. The higher I go, the quicker I will disinfect, but if it's too high, there will be a residual ozone which you will have to then flush out one more time with clean air. So it's better to not put a high level if you don't really need it. We find usually even at low levels it does quite a good job. Then you have a switch which, when you flip up, it will I forgot to open the bag. It will push air into the bag, and when you switch down, it will take the air out. Okay, let's try again. Perfect. So now air is being pulled into the bag. This is clean air. It's carbon filtered air, but it has no ozone. To inject the ozone, I will need to either flip the switch to a continuous ozone, so every time it's filling the bag, it's putting ozone, or I can put it down for a shot of ozone. So it will, whenever I press this, ozone will come out. Let's put it on continuous. So I will put on a fairly low level of ozone, and we're going to put it on pressure, and you see the bag is being filled. There's a warning light that ozone is now on. If I flip this off, of course no. If you fill the bag with ozone and just maybe close it and wait for a couple of minutes, usually it actually doesn't take more than a minute, all the ozone will react with those VOCs and bacteria and viruses and whatever you want to get rid of. Then you flip down, and now it's vacuuming. When it's vacuuming, it's taking that sample and cleaning it. So there's a filter inside, no ozone will come out, I don't really smell anything now, and none of that contamination will come out. The vacuum is a high pressure vacuum, just like this. So when it finishes, you have a completely vacuumed bag that you can then use for sampling. There we go, so I'll close that. Perfect, now it's cleaned and vacuumed. This is the SP50 Oxidization Purger. If you need more information, you can visit our website or email us at info@scentroid.com. Thanks a lot. See you on the next video.